Hi, I'm Jeremiah and welcome back to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made these portable skewer holders for a campfire. Check it out. I'm going to solve a problem today. My family and I like to do cookouts around a campfire, but every single time we say, I wish there was something we can do to keep the skewers from falling over, falling in the dirt, getting the marshmallow stickiness all over everything, not burning ourselves if we touch them or step on them. So today, I'm gonna do something about it. I've got the material, I've got a design, and it shouldn't take very long. It's just a little bit of grinding, a little bit of welding, and boom, done. So here I go. Okay, so the concept is to have two poles that get driven into the ground. They will have a wooden handle that helps drive it in, and they'll have hooks. The hooks will be offset so that when you hang this guy here, it'll hang downward on the second one. So you have these two hooks here, and then when you're done, you just reach up, grab all your skewers, pull this out of the ground, pull this out of the ground, and you're ready to go. So that's the concept. Now to make it a reality. Here you can see me using my bench grinder to grind the tip of the pointy end. And then I switched over to my Scotch-Brite wheels to clean up the metal and get it ready for welding. I got this 3/16 rod that'll be the hooks, so I'm gonna bend them and get them ready for welding. I used a small rod and pipe bender to get a 90-degree curve in the thin rod material. Then I took it over to my portable bandsaw and cut off the individual hooks. This worked really well. I'm not the best welder, but I love knowing how to weld, especially when simple ideas like this come up. These welds would be prettier if I had a TIG attachment for my welding machine, but they work just fine for this project. And being a machinist and having a lathe in my shop, I had to do a little machining. I turned an oak dowel down in diameter and added a hole in one end. The last step was to finish the handles with wood stain and some urethane, and then attach them with some 5-minute epoxy. All right, y'all, get excited. They're done. First step is stake them both into the ground. Boom. You make your s'more. All right, now you got a hot and sticky end. Boom. You can also do multiple, stack on top of each other. You got 2 layers here. So now when you're ready to make another one, just go and grab one. Here we go. All right, Jenny, give it a try.
All right.
They're turning brown. You want some more?
Why can I have some more? I haven't had any yet.
Nice. See, this could be like the commercial, Jenny. Right there.
There.
That's
one.
1, 2.
That's 2.
Now, Jenny, what are you gonna do with that skewer while you eat your s'more?
It's sticky and it's hot, and my kids are gonna get sticky and burnt.
What if you put it over here?
Whoa. Oh. Okay. Wow.
Isn't that convenient?
Now I don't even have to worry.
Ease of cleanup. You go boom, boom, boom. And we go back inside. Oh, I want one. The Marla's flaming. Woo! So convenient. I love when you find something that just causes you a lot of frustration, but you don't really know it until you finally solved it, and then it's like, oh, it feels so good. We have a solution. They're not in the dirt. We're not running the risk of anyone stepping on them. It's just a great solution. And so thanks for watching. I'm gonna have me a s'more. See you on the next video. Cheers, bite.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, cheers.
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 stick